I found somebody. I say you don't cross my mind.
Welcome to our channel, and today we're going to be unboxing a Duvet cover set. The brand is Emperor's Home, and you can see it comes in a bag, and the material is 100% Egyptian cotton. This cotton is a long strand cotton that comes from Egypt, and it happens to be the most durable and also the softest strand in that region. And here it is, Emperor's Home. It's packaged nice. It's a floral type of design. Of course, you know, that's more my wife than me. It is soft to the touch though. It is nice. I don't know if I could just get it out of the bag. I'll be all okay. Here we go. Very soft. And it looks like it's the pillowcases. And here's the sheet. And it has an exclusive light blue background with a big floral Egyptian pattern to it. It's a fitted bed sheet, and it has 4 pieces to this cover set. There we go. That's very nice. It's elegant. Looks like it's well made. There's the zipper part that you would put the insert into.
So nice. Like it? Wow.
That's very nice, very attractive. And it's easy to maintain. You can either hand wash it or machine wash it in cold water. That's it. So 100% Egyptian cotton, made by Emperor's Home. Now my wife's going to demonstrate on how she installed the insert. As you can see, she's unzipping it, and she was showing the ties. And then she laid it flat on the bed. Now this sheet is fitted. You can just get a unfitted sheet. Now you can see the quality of it compared to our other one. And this one's actually stitched quite nice. It's well manufactured. It's a high quality duvet. Now there's the insert, and then now she's laying out the topper, the duvet, and now she's tying the insert into the duvet cover. It has 4 ties, as you can see. And there's the last tie. Now what she does, she smooths everything out. She gets it even. This is quite ingenious how she does this. And then now she rolls it up. As you can see. And she evens it out. And then she's going to tuck it inside the zipper area. And she's tucking it. And she swats it. See? It's a bad cover. She puts it inside. She zips it up. And then she proceeds to unroll it. Look how nice that comes out. And the colors on it are really nice. I mean, they're quite vivid. It's a nice pattern. It's a quality print. And it's very soft to the touch. Now she's smoothing everything out. And as you can see, she's putting on the pillowcases. And that's it. This duvet is 100% hyperallergenic. It's also 100% Egyptian long staple cotton of origin. It's quite comfortable to lie on and sleep. If you like our channel or the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching.